Right people, here we go, we're back. Been a long time. Been kitting out the garage a bit, been doing some bits and bobs. Just going to take the Harley out to make some photos for it, because my mate Stu just wrapped the bags for me in this wonderful kind of matte black camo. It's actually a lot darker than it looks in the camera. It's nowhere near as bright and shiny as that. But this might be getting sold. I don't know, I can't decide, so I'm going to take the pictures and write the advert and then I'll make my mind up. The reason you might notice there is a gap in the garage is because the PCX 125 has gone. It's got sold. Loved it. Phenomenal wee thing. Just got fed up with the 125 power. So, loved the economy, loved riding it, but just kind of got a bit loosey plotty with a lack of power. So I'm a big laddie, so I've been using the Harley for work, but new bike coming on Monday. We've gone for, I'll insert picture here, a GSX 8S, and I've got that coming with a few accessories as well, so there'll be some vids of fitting them, and obviously a video when it comes and stuff like that as well. Sorry for the lack of content, it's been a long time. Been doing some stuff, had to set up another PC to get some programming work done and things like that. Just been busy, life, holidays, kids, etc. More content soon. Catch you later. Bye.